in it, and it's really sweet. And you put it on the cinnamon roll, and you put the cinnamon first.
Yeah.
And you spread it out.
Okay.
Spread it like a little circle.
Okay.
And now you put some cinnamon on it, and put that brown stuff, have sugar on it, and
no, sugar.
No, it's not even sugar, but it looks like sugar, but it is sugar.
Is it brown?
Yep, it's brown.
Is it brown sugar?
No, it's brown and it has sugar and it's sweet.
Oh, it's sweet though. It's brown and it's sweet. You put it on the roll?
No, you put it on the cinnamon, top of the cinnamon.
Oh, I see. Then what do you do?
Now you roll it up, and now you cut it.
Yep.
And now you put them in the pan and cook them. Cook the little cinnamon rolls. Cook them. What?
Your dad goes, blah, 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 blah. That's what he does when I make cinnamon rolls.